Okay, so let us start with the numericals now. Take down the question, all of you. A beam is 250 by 450 mm effective. A beam is 250 by 450 mm effective. Tensile steel consists of 4 bars of 22 mm dia.
Sir, repeat again. Your voice has been cut.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat once again?
Okay. A beam is 250 by 450 mm effective. A beam is 250 by 450 mm effective. Tensile steel consists of 4 bars of 22 mm dia. Tensile steel consists of 4 bars of 22 mm dia, and there is an equal amount of steel and there is an equal amount of steel placed 30 mm from top edge of the beam, and there is an equal amount of steel placed 30 mm from top edge of the beam. Calculate the UDL the beam can carry. Calculate the UDL the beam can carry, bracket, including the self weight, including the self weight, if sigma CBC equal to 7, sigma CBC equal to 7 Newton per mm square, sigma ST equal to 140 Newton per mm square, modular ratio M is equal to 13.33, modular ratio M is equal to 13.33, L effective is 5.7 meters, L effective is 5.7 meters, and sigma SC equal to 130 Newton per mm square. Sigma SC equal to 130 Newton per mm square. Okay, so that is the question. So I hope the question is clear to everyone. So now give me the data for the question. So what is given? Yes, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
B20 250, B450.
Okay, so B is 250 mm, correct? And effective depth is given. That means small d is 450 mm, correct?
Diameter of bar 20 mm.
AST कितना है?
One five two
1256.63.
4 bars of 22 बोला मैंने, ठीक है? इसमें if you have noted down the क्वेश्चन करेक्टली, इसमें AST और ASC
in
क्या है?
20.53.
Okay, so AST and ASC are same in this, correct? तो इसमें क्या बोला है कि equal amount of steel is placed at the top also. So AST is equal to ASC is 4 bars of 22 dia. So this will be 1520.53 mm square. Now, what else is given? 30
Clear
mm.
cover from top 30 mm.
dash.
So that is not the clear cover, that is the effective cover. D dash is directly given to you. So D dash is 30 mm. And sigma CBC दिया है, sigma CBC is 7, and then sigma ST is 140. Modular ratio is also given, which is 13.33, and L effective is given 5.7 meter, and sigma SC is 130 MPa. Correct? Anything else is given, so just let me know. Then we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out the UDL, that is W. Okay. So what is the first step? All of you start with the solution.
Find this.
Critical neutral.
Yes, to find out the critical neutral axis, find out the value of XC and give it to me, all of you. Let us just draw the figure to understand what is given to us. ठीक है, so इसमें टॉप स्टील भी दिया है, बॉटम स्टील भी दिया है. So this is 250 mm. Effective depth is इधर से 450 mm. This overall depth is, it is not given, so let it be. So this is ASC, and this is AST. This is given, actually D dash is given, which is 30. So the equation to find out XC is sigma CBC upon sigma ST by M, XC upon D minus XC. So which implies XC is equal to, come on, give me the value.
179.97.
Okay, 179.97. What about others? Is that correct, what he said? Just confirm. Others also getting the same value? Okay, fine. So now give me the value of, the second step is to find out the actual neutral axis. Give me the value of X. You already know the equation. So B into X by 2 plus 1.5 M minus 1 into ASC into X minus D dash is equal to M into AST into D minus X. Correct? So now give me the value of X, everyone. Okay, so once we finish the problem, we will stop the session. So be quick. जितना जल्दी solve करेंगे, we will stop the session. Yes, give me the value of actual neutral axis. Only x is unknown, everything is known to you. Yes, be quick. Yes, Arman Chauhan, it is given in the question that equal amount of steel is placed 30 mm from the top edge of the beam. That means ASC equal to AST. It is given in the question. Yes, am I audible, everyone? Okay, so Owais Sayyed has got the value as 147.71. Anyone else? Just confirm this value. Only one student got the answer so far, got the value.
147.70.
Okay, fine. So 147.71, we got the value of the actual neutral axis. Now we will just compare this value. So therefore, in this case, your x is less than xc. So hence it is an under reinforced section. So hence it is under reinforced section. Correct? So that means the member will fail due to overstress in steel. So therefore, member will fail due to overstress in steel. Am I correct? Member will fail due to overstress in steel. So therefore, sigma st is known. तो sigma st कितना हो जाएगा 140, मतलब maximum value which is given. Correct? So now the next step is to find MR. So what is the equation of the MR? So MR is given by C1 into lever arm plus C2 into lever arm. So that is B into X into sigma CBC by 2 into D minus X by 3 plus 1.5 M minus 1 into ASC into sigma dash CBC into D minus D dash. Correct? Equation is correct. So now in this, we know B, we know X, we know sigma CBC, but do we know sigma dash CBC? We don't know. So first we'll have to find out sigma dash CBC and then we'll find out MR. Okay, so sigma dash CBC is given by what? Sigma dash CBC is given by sigma CBC into X minus D dash upon X. To find out sigma dash CBC, we will have to find out sigma CBC also. ठीक है, so remember sigma CBC actual we have to find out, permissible नहीं जो दिया है. ठीक है, actual निकालना पड़ेगा अभी. So first we will find out sigma CBC. ठीक है, इसके लिए so we know that sigma CBC upon sigma ST by M is equal to X upon D minus X. ठीक है, so when you want to find out the actual value, you will have to use the actual neutral axis. So sigma CBC we don't know, sigma CBC upon sigma ST we know. Just now we have got the value 140 by M is 13.33. X we know it is 147.71. D is 450 minus. So which implies sigma CBC. Give me the value of sigma CBC. Yes, give me the value of sigma CBC fast. So within 5 minutes, we have to complete this problem.
5.30.
Yes, 5.13, correct. So now give me the value of sigma dash CBC also. ठीक है, सिग्मा dash CBC इधर ही निकाल लेते हैं. सिग्मा CBC कितना है 5.13, x कितना है 147.71, d dash is 30 upon x is 147.71. तो ये कितना आया सिग्मा CBC
4.08.
4.08. So now can you find out MR? जो unknown था वो मिल गया. So now find out the value of MR quickly. ठीक है, so remember at 10:30 you have a session in the same user ID and same password. So join that session. So we will stop exactly at 10:15. ठीक है, so give me the values first. अगर उससे पहले हो गया तो उससे पहले we will stop. So now MR का वैल्यू दो. Yes, anyone got the value of MR? Yes, quickly.
$49.99 into 10 raised to 6.
How much? 49.
49.99 into 10 raised to 6.
Yes, anyone else? Is he correct?
49.75 into 10 raised to 6. Kilonewton per meter. 49.7.
No. Okay, what values are you using? What we have calculated sigma dash CBC, that you have to use.
So 87.57 kilonewton.
Correct. It is 87.57. 49 कैसे आया? ठीक है, B क्या है 250, X क्या actual utilization?
7.6.
Yes, so MR is 87.57. ठीक है, so next we have to find out the UDL. Question में UDL पूछा है. To find UDL. So what is the span given? So first find out the bending moment of the beam. Span कितना है 5.7 meter. I think W we have to find out. Okay, so bending moment M is given by WL square by 8. So which is W into 5.7 square by 8. So now equate MR to M. Equate MR to M. We get. So what is MR? 87.57 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to W into 5.7 square by 8. Okay, so this we are dealing with meters only, तो ये 10 raised to 6 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, so we'll directly get the value of W in kilonewton.
21.56.
Correct. 21.56 kilonewton per meter. So this is the value. So the UDL the beam can carry, including the self weight, is 21.56 kilonewton per meter.